Hey traders, hope you all had an awesome weekend. A quick update here on net gas, gold, silver and crude oil. Starting with natural gas, so what do we have right here? And as you can see, we had a deep pullback right here and we had no conditions. And with that, we also had a bearish engulfing candle right here on NEMEX until I see a green and a bigger red candle, engulfing candle. In that case, I will just look for a little scalp. That is enough to hit my targets exactly like this, and I will look for another pullback entry bullish. Here on NEMEX, the price is now inside the zone. Again, green and a bigger red candle can be my bearish signal. If now, as the candle opened in gap, that is why I didn't take it as an entry, but that would be an absolutely valid entry and a valid bearish engulfing candle. And looking at that, the ATR is 7 and looks like we had a good volume in natural gas at this point. And right here, as you can see, the price pushed down more than 2 ATR from the level of resistance I've already mentioned and sent to my members as well. Now in the report, I've also mentioned that if the price hit the zone below, in that case I will use the zone as my trend continuation zone bullish. So wherever you see an entry, doesn't matter where it forms, on capital.com or Oanda or NEMEX, wherever you are trading, just look for a valid condition from the area of values or the condition like above 50 EMA. We are looking for buy condition, and below 50 EMA we are looking for sell pullback entries. For now we are above 50 EMA. Now if this candle ends up as a bullish engulfing candle, that will close in next couple of minutes. In that case, if we have a close like this, we have a buy signal and the price will push up likely more than 1 ATR. 1 ATR will be my initial targets. Right here, the number, if you see here, ATR is 7, so I'm expecting a price to push up at least 1 ATR, and then I'll look for another break above this high, pull back and keep on taking longs till the price gets to my level above in red, which is 2.906. that goes up to 3.036, from where I'll be looking to enter my sell trade with bearish engulfers, a double top 382 bearish or inverted hammer candle. So for now I'm looking for these entry condition. Bullish engulfers will be my entry. If there is no bullish engulfer, we are getting a possible double bottom on 1 hour time frame, and for that what I do, I mark my rejection zone, something like this, from the body till the wick like this. If the price pushes back down in this rejection zone, forms some sort of condition like bullish engulfers or a nice 382 candle, in that case we can expect another bounce from here. 1 ATR will be my target, or 1.421, and keep my stop loss below this rejection box. Take profit if you want to manage it till this recent high, and that is what I'll be looking at on 1 hour time frame. Normally, if you don't get confused, the double bottoms is when the price is pushing lower in a downtrend and hit the level of support. In that case, that is a reversal pattern, but this is something I call a trend continuation pattern. The price breaks above, and if you want to enter in a less aggressive way, I look for a price to reject once and then reject twice, and that is how I use a zone to enter in a less aggressive way. So keep looking for these conditions. I'll be looking at, once we have a condition, we are good to go for our trades. Not taking sell trades as long as we are now above 50 and 20 EMA both. Here on Oanda, no entry condition. I'll be only looking for a price to break above this high or a possible double top pattern. So if we have a double top, something like this, if the, let's say the price pushes up, rejects from here, forms a bearish engulfers, inverted hammers 382 candle. If that happens without a candle close above this previous high, if that happens, we have a trend continuation towards the upside. So for now, I also look for double tops. If we have that, we are good to go short using 1 ATR for my target. If the price falls to 50 EMA, in that case I'll still look for my pullback entry bullish, looking at the fact price has just made a new high. Now don't get confused here on capital.com. Even if we get a double top on Oanda, the 1 ATR will be at least till this recent high, and that is enough to hit your targets here on capital.com as well. That is why I'll also look for double tops, looking at the fact we are now in the level of resistance here as well. Here on NEMEX, exactly the same. If we have a close as a bullish engulfer, it's a buy signal till this recent high, and look for double tops here. If we have a good condition here, bearish engulfers or 382 candle bearish, in that case we have a sell signal, and we will take another short trade and get a nice pullback to 50 EMA till we look for another long trade. So these are the conditions I'll be looking at. From the zones, we can expect some pullbacks before the price will continue to push higher, as now we are above 50 and 20 EMA both, or we are looking at a little scalp from sell and ride along with the trend. Next one, we have gold. Gold is now broken below the previous low, which is good, and now we are looking at this level below, which is 1972.57. that goes up to 1993.33. Now I've also mentioned a level of minor support, which is right here, but I'll be looking to enter my trades from this area if we have a push down to, or if we get a hit of 50 EMA with red candle followed by bullish engulfer. In that case, we have a buy signal, and I will take another long trade. So these are the conditions I'll be looking at. We can expect some bounce from this zone, or from 50 EMA red and bigger green candle will be my buy signal, and keep on taking longs till the price hit the level of resistance above, which is 2063.27. that goes up to 2076.02, from where we can look for another condition for sell trade. For now, the zone below, which is right here, is a major area of value. If you have a dramatic fall, I will look for another bounce and a nice long trade with conditions only. So keep looking for that. These are the conditions I'll be looking at for gold. Not entering sell trades as long as we are above 50 EMA, or we are looking at a bounce from here, from 50 EMA with bullish engulfer, or the zone below if we have a good push down. Here on silver, we are very close to the level, which is 22.25, goes to 22.65, from where we can get a possible bounce. Not expecting a very big bounce, but a bounce that is enough to hit 1 ATR for your targets. And then I'll look for the break above 20 and 50 EMA. If that happens, I'll start to look for my pullback entry bullish till the price gets to my level above right here, which I've already mentioned in my yesterday's video. So keep looking for conditions from the zone here for your buy trades. Not looking for sell trades as long as we are above this zone. Once we've broken below this low, in that case I'll start to look for my pullback entry bearish. Last one, we have crude oil is now pushing lower. If the price continue to push lower till 66.00, goes up to 67.85, in that case we will have a valid double bottom pattern. Mark your rejection zones like this. All I want to see a push down in the rejection zone with a bullish engulfers 382 candle pin bars. Once we have a condition here in this rejection zone, in that case we are good to go long, or in the zone below, let's say the price breaks below this zone and close below, in that case I'll still look for my buy condition from the zone with bullish engulfers or 382 candles. So keep looking for that. Once we have a condition, we are good to go long. For now, I'm only looking for buy trades once the price hit the zone. In case you're wondering, this is not one of my sell condition. Even if it's closed as a bearish engulfing candle, that invalidates one of my trading rules. So I'm not looking for this candle to take my bearish trade. So that's it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always email me at support@rateofmoneymarkets.net. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.